Open or closed syllables?
Open.
Open. So if it's open, Georgia, what's the sound of our vowel?
O.
Oh, now let's read our syllable together. It is?
Bow.
What is it?
Bow.
Then we have open or closed.
Closed.
What's the sound of our vowel?
Ah.
And let's read it.
Last.
Why is it important to know that if it's open or if it's closed? Why do we need to know that? Why do we even care? Leona?
If we know if it's open or closed, then we know if it makes its long sound or its short sound.
And that helps us to do what?
Read and write.
Very good. It helps us to read and write the words. So what was our syllable? Let's go.
Last.
Very good.